dear Libra, I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your monthly tarot reading. This is for the month of October. And of course, this is a general reading. It will not resonate with all of you. Please do not waste your energy writing in comments. Let me tell you that this is a general reading. And so you can check your placements like sun, moon and rising placements and then only watch the videos. Also, if it does not resonate with you, please do not force it on yourself. Go and watch some other channel or whatever you wish to, you can do, but do not waste your energy writing baseless comments. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let's proceed and check. And also, for a personal reading, you can email me on my mail address that is given in the description box below. So let's see what is in store for Libra for the month of October in love. What is store for Libra for the month of October in love? Let's see what is in store for Librans for the month of October. Let's find out what is in store for Libra for the month of October. Okay, find out. So very nice. You are ready to be in. I think you have been facing a lot of burdens lately and you've been suppressing a lot of emotions, and not you or the other person. I believe they are suppressing their emotions and they're in a lot of burden. You can take how it resonates. It may resonate with you or it may be your person's situation. The roles might get reversed. Okay, so you are ready to take a leap of faith in a certain direction. Let's find out what is the Fool card here for. What is the Fool card here for? Let's see what is the Fool card here for. What is the Fool card here for? What's the Fool card here for? What is the Fool card here for? What's the Fool card here for Libra? Let's see. Okay, so yeah. Oh, beautiful. I mean, you are ready to take a leap of faith. They are ready to take a leap of faith, I guess, towards you. One of them is King of Wands and the other one is Queen of Wands. So you are a match. Very nice. And so you are the person is now ready to take a leap of faith towards you and ready to work towards whatever is required. If in the past they were not able to put in the efforts or not ready to put in the efforts, now they are ready. And also they have been suppressing certain emotions. Let's see what is that they have been suppressing here. Let's find out what is it that Libra has been suppressing so far. Let's find out what is it that Libra has been suppressing so far. So okay, so they have been suppressing the emotions they have for you. They've been missing you. They see a long term stability with you. They see a future with you. They want to make it official. They want to give you the commitment, and they've been suppressing all those emotions inside of you. But now they are ready and to come towards you and give it a fresh start, have victory in the situation. You both are meant to be together. Like I told you, one of them is King of Wands and the other one is Queen of Wands. You are a match. Very nice. So what is the burden that they have been feeling? Let's see what is the burden that they have been feeling. What's the burden here? Okay, so they feel burdened due to the fact that they feel that if they come towards you, you might end up fighting again. There might be conflicts, there might be some other factors that might affect the situation, or there are other people in the situation, or you both have been too argumentative in the past. They feel that this conversation might not be that positive, that favorable if he comes to speak to you, and that is burdening him somehow. But he is now ready. He has been suppressing this for a long time, thinking about the negative consequences, but now he is ready to take a leap of faith with you because he has been feeling out in the cold. Okay, so that is what we have for you, Libra, for your love. Very nice energy. So expect some communication and expect some efforts from your person because you both are meant to be. Cut, cut. Okay, now let's see what's coming towards you in your career path for the month of October. Okay. Um, Libra, what is coming towards you in your career for the month of October? What is coming towards you for the month of October in your career? What is coming towards you in your career for the month of October? Let's see, let's find out. Okay. Okay, so you have beautiful energy. Again, there is some sort of burden that you have been going through, and now you are going to release that burden to trust in the path that you are about to take, and you are also welcoming certain partnerships, certain collaborations with the flow that you're going to take. Okay, let's see what is the burden that you are feeling in your career this month. Let's see what's the burden about. Let's see Libra, what is the burden here about? What is the burden here about? Okay, so you are feeling burdened regarding some sort of hard work that you are bound to do day and night. You are working really hard, but then again you want to take a break. You want to take a break from the hard work that you've been doing, and you know you want to enjoy your freedom, you want to enjoy the fruits of your labor as well, but you're not getting the time. You are so engrossed in work, that it is killing your social life or killing your good vibes in some way, killing your I'm sorry, I dropped the card. So killing your space somehow. You feel that you are working a lot. Okay, let's see what is there for you. What is the trust that you're building in the situation? Let's see Libra, what is the trust that you're building in the situation? What is the trust here that you're building in the situation? What is the trust here that you're building in the situation? Let's see. Okay, so you have some sort of strength that you are building in the situation, and you are like moving ahead like the king of cups. Okay, you are very passionate about something. You know that okay, even if I give a lot of my hours to this work, I'm still happy because this is my passion, and this is where my emotions lie. You are very passionate about this, and you see that there is someone who can offer an equal stake of emotion in this. You are also dependent on a certain person who is like heavily involved in this with you, and you trust that person because you know that they won't let you down. So you are trusting someone, and you are very passionate about this new beginning, new start, because this is something close to your heart, and you have all the strength to even put in the long hours of work if you need, if the need be. Okay, now you're trusting it, because earlier you weren't sure and you were like working, you were toiling somehow. Okay, what is the friendliness card here for? Let's see Libra, what is the friendliness card here for? Let's see what is the friendliness card here for. What is the friendliness card here for? So you have you are walking away from something that did not work out in the past. Like I told you, you were excessively invested in something that was also not giving you the time to be yourself, to you know focus on yourself, your self care, your self love, your friends, your family. It was not giving you that freedom and sense of enjoyment from within. Now you're walking away from that which did not work out in the past. You're walking to calmer waters, and that which will give you more stability with a trusted person around you. Okay, and this is something you've been wishing for. There has been a fallout, and there has been a strong collapse of certain foundation as well, but now you are ready to let it go and ready to focus on healing, as well as focus on the collaborations that lie at the moment in this month. Okay, so very beautiful energy. That is, I get for you, Libra. Okay. Now we'll see what is your overall guidance for the month of October. Overall guidance for Libra for the month of October. What is the overall guidance for Libra for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Libra for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Libra for the month of October? Okay. So you are going to be really focused and moving towards something with a lot of intensity. If you are not planning to do that, this is your guidance, this is your advice. Please be focused, please be intense towards anything, whether it be in love, whether it be towards your career. Give your 100%. Okay, so that is what we have for you, Libra. I'll see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep enjoying. Thank you. Namaste.